Judge tells attorneys for Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni not to fight case through media. Attorneys for Blake Lively and her former It Ends With Us director and co-star Justin Baldoni, who she has accused of sexually harassing her during the film's fraught production, met in federal court for the first time on Monday, amid their complex legal saga that has been subject to weeks of dissection by social media spectators. Neither Lively nor Baldoni were in the New York court for the pre-trial conference, where Judge Louis Lyman advised their attorneys to avoid making statements in public that could prejudice the proceedings. If the parties try to litigate this case in the press, the judge said he has the ability to move up the trial, currently scheduled for March 2026. Attorneys for both Lively and Baldoni emphasized in court the negative impact the case has had on their clients. "My clients are devastated financially and emotionally," Baldoni's attorney Brian Friedman said, adding that his clients have suffered hundreds of millions of dollars in damages. He said they want the case to move forward quickly for the sake of their future livelihood. Lively's attorney Michael Gottlieb said the retaliation campaign by Baldoni's team has been devastating for her. "You're not supposed to launch attacks on the other party's character," he said. Gottlieb said he plans to file an amended complaint by February 14 that includes new claims and additional defendants. In a statement after the hearing, Gottlieb and Esra Hudson, another one of Lively's attorneys, said they were pleased with the results and eager to move forward immediately with discovery in this case. "The court granted our request that all attorneys in the matter actually follow the rule of law and not make any statements that could prejudice a jury," they said. This case deals with serious allegations of sexual harassment and retaliation. "We will hold the defendants accountable, and we are confident that once all the evidence is submitted in this matter, Ms. Lively will prevail." CNN has reached out to Baldoni's attorneys for comment. "How we got here." Baldoni, a writer, director, and producer who also built a brand around encouraging men to be better allies to women, and Lively have been in a legal battle that began in December, when Lively accused him of sexual harassment and retaliation in a complaint first filed with the California Civil Rights Department, preceding a civil lawsuit that followed about a week later. Baldoni, meanwhile, has denied Lively's allegations. Last month, he filed a lawsuit against Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds, accusing them of civil extortion, defamation, and invasion of privacy. At the time, Lively's lawyers told CNN in a statement that Baldoni's suit is another chapter in the abuser playbook. "This is an age-old story. A woman speaks up with concrete evidence of sexual harassment and retaliation, and the abuser attempts to turn the tables on the victim." The movie, from Sony Pictures, was released in August 2024 and grossed more than $148 million domestically. Based on Colleen Hoover's 2016 novel of the same name, It Ends With Us spotlights domestic violence in a couple, which was portrayed on screen by Lively and Baldoni. Both Baldoni and Lively provided in their suits text messages they say make their cases. Baldoni's team also released video footage from the actors' time working together and, on Saturday, published a website with his amended complaint and a timeline of the film's production. Baldoni was also heard in an audio recording published by TMZ apologizing to Lively, reportedly sent while they were working on the project.